Good morning or evening, everyone. Welcome to the Fletcher Afghan Evacuation and Resettlement Working Group's Saturday info session. Today, we will be going over driving in America. This will be part 2 of an extended series on driving in America. Today, the main focus will be on driving signs. Driving in America is more complicated than in Afghanistan. There are more rules to follow, especially around road signs. Today we'll be discussing driving vocabulary, car vocabulary, common car repairs, signs and sign rules, types of roads, right-of-way laws, and right-on-red laws. First, we will discuss basic words in driving in English. Stop means you touch your brakes until your car does not move. Speed limits. Speed limits are the highest speed you are allowed to drive on the road. Speed limits are set in miles per hour on American roads. Yield. To yield means that you allow people and cars to move before you after you've come to a full stop. Pedestrians. Pedestrians are people who are on the road. Traffic is all other cars on the road, including regular cars, trucks, police cars, fire trucks, and ambulances. Tolls. A toll is a place where you stop to pay to drive on the road. Here are some basic words for a car on the road. Blinkers. Blinkers are the lights in the back of the car that you use to show where you're turning. The windshield is the window of glass that allows you to see where you're going and protects you from dust, rain, snow, and stones. Side mirrors. Side mirrors are the mirrors that allow you to see the traffic that is behind you while driving. Headlights. Headlights are the lights that you can turn on when there is no sunshine or when it's night, or when there are no good street lamps. These allow you to see pedestrians and traffic that are ahead of you, even when it's dark out. Fender. The fender is the sheet of metal that goes over your car wheels to protect it. Hubcap. The hubcap is a decorative piece of metal that goes over your car wheels directly. It is decorative and it protects it from dust and snow and mud. The tire. The tire is the strip of rubber that allows you to control your car. It helps you stop and it helps you speed up. And they need to be replaced periodically. Common car repairs. Oxygen sensor change. Oxygen sensors show oxygen in the car. Oxygen sensors need to be changed every 50,000 miles driven. Change catalytic converter. Catalytic converters control emissions by your car. If you do not have a catalytic converter, then it will be emitting too much, and it will not pass a state inspection. You need to pass state inspections in order to register your car to drive it. Ignition coils. Ignition coils fire the spark plugs and burn gasoline in your engine. You need these in order to move your car. They need to be replaced from time to time. Tighten or replace fuel cap. Fuel caps can trigger a check engine light on your car. A missing fuel cap or loose fuel cap can make you lose gasoline, which is expensive. Replace thermostat. The thermostat controls the temperature of your vehicle. If your thermostat is not working, then your car can overheat and get hurt. Cameras. Signs in America need to be obeyed. If you do not obey signs, then you can be ticketed by the police or by a camera. Cameras will read your license plate, then they will take your picture, and they will allow the police and the authorities to track you down and send you a ticket if you do not obey the signs. In this picture here, you can see a bright light showing the camera. It reads the license plate and shows whether or not you are obeying the sign to stop. If you do not obey signs, you can get in an accident. And most Americans obey signs and expect you to. You can tell whether or not a sign is enforced by a camera with a photo enforced sign. These are a warning sign that encourage people to slow down.